Hi, Deb here at Groovy Plants Ranch talking about coneflowers. What else at this time of the year? Prairie Splendor is part of the American Beauties program, bringing good native cultivars into the landscape and into our nurseries. Can you imagine neon pink flowers from June until frost? Because they do rebloom. As you look at this plant, I want you to think about it covered with butterflies and later in the season in the winter with birds. Many of our native coneflowers can get up to 4 feet tall, but this is 24 to 28 inches tall and wide. And as a wonderful companion, this gorgeous blue salvia. If you want to know more about coneflowers and their companions, please check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and on our app. Thanks for watching.